Hello everyone, welcome to the next vlog of LNS Technology. In this particular vlog, we will discuss about like continuing that web application attacks part, which we are continuing, and now we will jump into the first attack part. So how we can, there are a lots of attacks present. So if we go one by one, but what I will doing here now from this vlog, we will discuss about different type of attacks by application wise, which we already as if you not seen these previous video, please look into that, because in that videos we have shown how to set up the lab, basically how to set up a proxy in through burp suite, because these things we will using in these videos to for a learning purpose, and these are the only these attacks and everything are for educational purpose only. Okay, so as I already showed you, like how to set up a DVWA vulnerable app. Okay, and now we will start with the first attack of DVWA related to web application basically. So now let me just log in. Username is a admin and password is password for DVWA. Okay. Now, as I already explained, I think or not, I will tell you one more time. Like, welcome to the DAM vulnerable web application. DAM vulnerable web application is PHP MySQL web application. That is a DAM vulnerable. Its goal is to be an aid for security professionals to test their skills, tools in the legal environment, help web developers also better understand the process of security web application, and to aid both student and teachers to learn about the web application security in control of classroom environment. Basically, these the platform are learning purpose to learn about different type of web application attacks. Okay, and hands-on practice on that particular attacks, how we can perform, how we learn that attacks, and what are the vulnerabilities are present on the web applications. Okay, so let's jump into the first attack. They are clearly not taking too much deep into it. They are important attack directly given this particular application. And next application we will explain other attack also. But first of all, whatever the attacks in this application is mentioned, I will follow to try to explain these attacks and take your doubts in comment box. Okay, whatever you have. So first we will attack, take the first attack. What is the brute force attacks? Okay, so I will not create any tutorials like a notes or something like to show you, and that will be with me or share with you or link or that. But I will tell you how you can easily also. Everything is available on the internet. You just need to research on internet and you will get all the information, and I am following the standard. Okay, OAPS. Okay, so basically I am following the standard. Okay, so let's open this if it is link is working or not, I'm not sure. Like it is working. Okay, so testing of a brute force. Okay, so basically this is like brute forcing is consist of systematically enumeration all possible candidates for the solution, checking whether a candidate satisfy the problem statement in web. Okay, application setting, but it is a like old I think old description. Like if we can go to the like great majority of web application provide a way of user to authenticate themselves. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay, let me just no problem, let me just open this one other link which I have already opened. Okay, so if you can see the brute force attack, this is a new updated version. Okay, I think so. In this, what they have mentioned basically, brute force attack is a manifest itself in many different ways. Okay, this can perform by many different, but primarily consists in attacker configuring the predetermined values, making a request to the server using those value, and then analyze the response. Basically, what we are doing here in this attack, like attacker will do, like suppose in this I will tell you example related to this. Let me close it. Okay, so in this what will happen is when we log in into username password, okay, in any application. Okay, so if you are logging into username and password, you are able to authenticate and able to access the post authentication page. Post authentication page is whatever after login. Okay, the user can access. Now, if suppose any attacker, if suppose there is a one web application, okay, of my company only. If you talk about there is a one web application in my company, LNS Technologies. So in that particular website of LNS Technology, there is a login form. So if suppose malicious user or attacker want to attack or log into the application, they need two things. One thing is a username, and other thing is a password. Okay, or if he or she don't know about that, then there is a one type of attack which is called brute force attack. And in brute force attack, they will do what they will do is use a username, random username, and a password. So for that one, they will use already available files related to our brute forces like dictionary. Okay, let me just search it for you quickly. Brute force authentication user, like you can simply search username password. So GitHub links are open. Uh, like you can say like type a GitHub link. So basically GitHub link help you to give the list of, okay, so you password crackers, password username and password list you can search. Okay, so these are the common username and password you can use. Okay, for login, the word list are there. So word list you can download it. Like if you can see password word list are there, as a username password list are there. So list of these you can use, okay, in tool and try to brute force this attack. Okay, so for this one, what I am giving the example now, the you attacker is try to use that username and password and try to log in. If there is maybe some default credential will work like a admin or root, yeah, admin or password, any credential. If suppose malicious user try that one and that username and password is present, then he or she able to log in. Or suppose in one more scenario is other scenario test case, you can say like suppose there is a one malicious user know about the one user name, okay, by knowing known user only, okay, to know about the user name, then he or she can enumerate the other part of that, like try to log in with the password with a different combination, like passwords combination. Username already know, but just we need to try to password. So for that one only, what we will do, quickly jump into, I will show you this attack. I will not go too much deep. So before going to down, just read about this so more understanding. For the sake of the efficiency, attacker may use dictionary attack, okay, which we will use, or traditional brute force attack, which gives that classes of the character alphanumerical cases and all. So there is an option in a brute like a buff suit. Through that we will use perform a brute force, okay, but we will take that will take too much time, okay, the traditional brute force but we will use a dictionary part, okay. And considering a given method, number of tries and efficiency of the system which conduct the attack, okay, through that m- efficiency of the system we will conduct the attack, okay, because that our system will be used to perform these attack, okay, which attacked the attacker is able to calculate the approximately how long it takes to submit all the chosen predetermined values basically, okay. Other way is also is like to dictionary. The like one more attack is which will be explained later part, but I will just show you. This is for using the Dubbuster tool. Dubbuster tool is already present on a Kali Linux. If you don't know about it, we will explain later part. This is also one part of enumerating the directories present on the server, application server, okay, and try to get the some sensitive information, sensitive pages on that. So this particular tool will be helpful in that, and this is for educational purpose. Let me jump into quickly to show you a tech and not take too much long video and easily explain and quickly resolve your issue, okay. So let's me jump into that. So this is the login page which we try to enumerate. So we don't know about the password. So let me just try admin and username and password is admin and try. It is no, it is not working. So let me just configure proxy tool. Okay, and send this intercepted request to same username and password I am typing now. Okay, and see the same response, but we are able to, I think, capture the request in history. No, why, what happened? Yeah, present, it is not coming. Let me type as a different, okay. Yeah, and now this time is come. Let me send this request to intruder quickly to show the attack. Okay, how the brute force can. And now in this request, let me just, okay, now you able to see everything. Okay, now clear first to set the target values. So as suppose if we talk about, like, we know about that username is user, okay, okay, and we don't know about the password. So I randomly enter this one, okay, and set it as a add as a target of this one. Okay, now for payload purposes, what I have done, there are the multiple payloads are there. Okay, but I will use a simple list. Okay, in which I will add a random value. Currently, I know about the password, but just for showing to you all guys how it will done, like randomly I'm entering the password. Okay, add, add, add. It's like lots of password you can present, like thousand list of you passwords, thousand list of usernames are there. Okay, okay, and now I will enter. Actually, the password is password and see the response. Okay, now we all done. Just quickly try that one. Click on start attack. Okay, yeah, this is the community edition. Okay, so it will for demo purposes. Okay, now if you can see the length of the for wrong passwords are is 4666, but for password particular value which is passing when we are passing in this through this attack Brutus, it's like 4704. And check the response, what response is coming. So let me see, it is login. So we cracked that one through the brute force attack. Okay, now let's discard this one. Okay, and go to that one and try the same. Username is a admin and password is password. Oh, welcome to the protected area of admin. So means this is the concept how we will crack it out. Now, if we don't know, if we don't know, like we already sent this request, intercepted request in a, okay, we don't know about it and we send it out, like this is the already success one, but we will use okay, and send it to the again intruder and try it. Okay, now we don't know about the username, so what we have done is we set the both the values here. Okay, we don't know about it. Just remove that part admin and random, just randomly I have did. Okay. Um, there are different option also here that are cluster bomb is that this attack use multiple payloads set. There are different payload set of each definition position up to the maximum 20 the attack to the, I think this can be used cluster bomb. Okay, and uh, payload list we can use to set up payload list. Like we can do one thing, we can copy this one, just copy. Yeah, see, Let's come. Okay, I will enter randomly, no problem. Leave it why we will take waste our time. Okay, this is the first one. Currently, I'm not adding the correct username, just I'm adding the randomly username. Okay, this part will be removed. Okay, user root. Okay, so I think 8 character we have added. Either 7 we have added, so we can add one more time. Okay, now we will add correct one. Admin. Now in second list we will add 8 characters password. Okay, now 8 here in second and 9 here. So we will do one thing. We will remove one. Okay, now done. And let us try. It is working or not. I'm not sure. It will try with all combination if you can see. Like if we choose about like admin with this username and password, like so sorry, so admin is the username and password this value, okay, which is the second one. Okay, and see, like see, at last it is matched again. So this is the password use for this username, like that way. Okay, so I explained you about how you can do the brute force through dictionary. Okay, and how that will can possible. So like this part we I explained you first one, and so to going deep out, there are different scenario here it is mentioned, but I not going too much theory. You can read about it and learn about it. Like that is the best practice. When you explore yourself, when you do hard work on doing that, learning such thing by your own, you will remember more. I don't like different ways. So for second part of this one, like how to brute force the dictionaries and all, like available on the web application servers, I will explain you next video or some other time. Okay, but we are going from like through this list, we are going. So next part we will discuss about command injection. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and please like our video and subscribe our channel. So if you support, we will try to make more better videos, more better content, okay, related to security, related to VAPT, related to penetration testing, and related to secure code. Okay, to try to support our channel, try to support our videos, okay, through click on like button, subscribe our channel, click on bell icon, okay, to take updated new videos when it will be push. Okay, thanks for watching, thanks for your time. Okay, bye.